see around the street, the noise and the chaotic mass movement of people fills me enormous stress. I look around for some place where I can breathe and relax my mind, trying to calm myself. But while involve myself being and calm, a kind of floating energy passing through my conscious mind, and I realize those energy is nothing but bunch of creative inspiration from those chaotic busy streets I have just gone through. I laugh at me again and again whenever I do this. I think this is a beautiful creative spectacle occurred in any artist. This particular watercolor painting is all about transferring those inspiration into paper. So if you are equally excited to know and learn this phenomenal watercolor experience, then I would welcome you to join my watercolor class on Skillshare and experience this beautiful medium of watercolor.